How to open Windows Terminal in Quake Mode in Windows 11. Windows Terminal's Quake Mode is one of the most underrated tools in Windows 11. It lets you open a drop-down terminal from the top of your screen with a single key press, just like the classic in-game console from Quake. Let's walk through how to use it and the best ways to launch it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Why Quake Mode matters. Quake Mode gives instant access to the command line without needing to open a separate window. It's perfect for multitasking, letting you monitor scripts, run commands, or manage systems while keeping your desktop uncluttered. For IT professionals, it integrates seamlessly with automation tools and management workflows, making it a powerful productivity upgrade for Windows 11. How to open Quake Mode quickly. The fastest way to launch Quake Mode is with the keyboard shortcut. To use the keyboard shortcut, press Win plus the Windows key and the backtick /tilde key, usually located below Escape and above Tab. A terminal window slides down from the top of the screen. Press Win plus backtick again to hide it. The session stays active in the background for instant toggling. If the shortcut doesn't work, use the Run dialog. Press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog. Type wt.exe-w_quake and hit Enter. This launches a new Quake Mode window instantly, even if Windows Terminal isn't already running. Other ways to launch Quake Mode. You can also make a desktop shortcut for Quake Mode. Right-click on your desktop, select New Shortcut, and enter wt.exe-w_quake. Give it a name like Quake Terminal and click Finish. From there, you can pin it to your taskbar or Start menu for even quicker access. Finally, you can launch Quake Mode at startup. Open the Run dialog again, type shell:startup, and place a shortcut to wt.exe-w_quake inside the folder. Now, every time you log in, the terminal loads automatically and is ready to use. Important details to keep in mind. Quake Mode supports multiple shells including PowerShell, CMD, and WSL. It uses your default Windows Terminal profile and can be resized from the bottom edge of the screen. Only one Quake window can run at a time, ensuring consistency and preventing duplicates. If the shortcut doesn't respond, check that Windows Terminal is installed from the Microsoft Store and that you're using version 1.9 or later. Also, ensure the app is running in the background before using the keyboard shortcut. For more information, check out our official blog post on Windows Terminal Quake Mode, linked in the description below.